there, foodies! Welcome to our video. Today we're diving into a delicious and nourishing recipe that's perfect for those cozy evenings, vegan lentil soup. Let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Ingredients: 1 cup dried green or brown lentils, rinsed 1 onion, chopped 2 carrots, peeled and diced 2 celery stalks, diced 3 cloves, garlic, minced 6 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped garnish. In a large pot, saute the chopped onion, diced carrots, and celery until slightly softened. Add the minced garlic, cumin, and paprika. Sauté for another minute. Pour in the vegetable broth and add the rinsed lentils and bay leaf. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 25-30 minutes or until the lentils are tender. Remove the bay leaf and season the soup with salt and pepper. Serve the vegan lentil soup hot, garnished with chopped fresh parsley. Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now. Thanks for watching. To view more videos, please like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.